As a data scientist, you possess the power to unravel hidden patterns, predict trends, and make data-driven decisions that transform businesses. But how do you showcase your expertise to the potential employers? The answer is data science projects. Your resume is your gateway to the new opportunities, and your data science projects are the shining stars that make you stand out from the crowd. A study by McKinsey Global Institute estimated that by 2025, the potential annual value of applying data science in retail alone could be between $410 billion to $1.2 trillion. Just imagine having a remarkable collection of projects that shows your incredible skills in predictive modeling, your talent for natural language processing, your expertise in image recognition, etc. Each project is a proof to your skills and a captivating story waiting to be told. In this video, we will cover various data science projects that you can include in your resume. By including these key components of data science projects in your resume, you will not only demonstrate your technical skills, but also your ability to solve real-world problems. So are you ready to showcase your data science prowess and stand out from the competition? In this session, we will discuss 5 data science projects that you can include in your resume.
Now before moving forward, let me ask you a quick question. So which of the following is not a commonly used programming language in data science? Option A is Python, option B is R, option C is Java, and option D is MATLAB. Now you can pause this video and answer in the comment section below. Now let's start with the first project, that is fake news detection. So fake news detection project is a significant undertaking in the field of data science. It involves developing algorithms and models that can identify and classify misleading or fabricated information from genuine news sources. The project typically involves techniques such as natural language processing, machine learning, and data mining to analyze the text content, metadata, and contextual information. Including a fake news detection project in your resume is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it showcases your ability to apply advanced and analytical techniques to the real-world problems. Secondly, fake news has become an issue in today's digital age, impacting individuals, communities, and even elections. By including a fake news detection project on your resume, you show your commitment to ethical practices and contributing to the societal well-being. Lastly, working on a fake news detection project reflects your understanding of complex data science concepts such as feature engineering, model evaluation, and model deployment. Next up we have is sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is a vital project in the field of data science that involves using natural language processing and machine learning techniques to identify and understand the sentiment or emotion expressed in a piece of text. This project holds great significance in various industries as it enables organizations to gain valuable insights from large volumes of textual data such as customer reviews, social media posts, and survey responses. Including a sentiment analysis project on your resume demonstrates your expertise in utilizing advanced data science techniques to extract meaningful information from unstructured text data. It showcases your ability to process and analyze data at a scale. Furthermore, sentiment analysis has numerous practical applications including brand monitoring, customer feedback, analysis, reputation management, and market research. By showcasing your experience in sentiment analysis, you present yourself as a valuable asset to the potential employers who are seeking professionals capable of utilizing the power of data. Next we have is Parkinson's disease detection. Parkinson disease detection project in data science is an essential project to include on a resume due to its significance in both healthcare and technological advancements. Early detection plays a crucial role in managing the disease and improving patients' quality of life. By developing a Parkinson's disease detection project using data science technique, one showcases a strong understanding of data preprocessing, feature engineering, and model development, which are fundamental skills in data science. This project also highlights your understanding of complexities involved in detecting a complex disease like Parkinson's and your proficiency in utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms. Next project on our list is Resume Parsing in Machine Learning with Python. So resume parsing in machine learning refers to the process of extracting relevant information from a resume and structuring it into a standardized format. It involves using natural language processing techniques to analyze text and identify key details such as contact information, work experience, education, skills, and other relevant data. Including a project on your resume parsing in your data science resume is important for several reasons. Firstly, it showcases your expertise in NLP and machine learning techniques, highlighting your ability to extract meaningful information from unstructured text. Secondly, you understand challenges faced by HR departments in analyzing large volumes of resumes and automating the initial screening process. This shows potential employers that you possess the knowledge and skills to streamline their hiring procedures. Next project to include in the resume is face recognition system in Python using FaceNet. Face recognition systems are essential tools in the field of computer vision and have gained significant popularity in recent years. One popular approach is using FaceNet, a deep learning model to extract high-dimensional features from facial images and create a face recognition system in Python. FaceNet, developed by Google researchers, utilizes a CNN to generate a compact numerical representations known as embedding. These embeddings can then be compared using distant metrics such as Euclidean or cosine similarity to determine if two faces belong to the same person. Including a face recognition system using a FaceNet in your resume showcases your proficiency in computer vision and deep learning techniques as you have implemented a complex model for facial analysis. Additionally, it highlights your ability to work with large datasets and handle image processing tasks efficiently. Thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.